Hey, it's me again. Let's create the symbol for the message field. Select the elements and go to create a new symbol. That's it, guys. Let me show you what happens when making this object bigger or smaller. The elements get deformed, right? The position changes. So, what we are going to do now is modify the symbol so that although the text box changes, it doesn't affect the text position. It doesn't move when I make it bigger or smaller, as happens here. It is that the text or any other element don't vary or change when I move it. Okay? This is another of the advantages of a sketch. We can modify the symbol in order to keep the same values of the element we are working with. Let me give you a tip. If we double-click on the symbol or click and enter, we'll open the object contained in the symbols panel. Once there, we'll be able to modify each of the elements of that particular symbol. For example, if we click on the label, a series of settings appear in the inspector panel, where we can edit parameters like the position. In the label's case, let's say we want it to always be aligned to the upper left corner of the field. So, go to the resizing option in the inspector panel and pin the object to the top and the left edges. As a result, when we modify the box, the text alignment won't change. Let's see it in context. Click on Return to Instance and scale the box. See? All the elements are deformed, but the label, which is fixed now. Let's follow the same steps for the background and the text within the box. Open again the symbol and repeat the same for the text and the background. It is, pin them to the top and left edges. So left and top. Now, if we return to Instance and scale the box, all the elements are fixed. Obviously, we also find the same problems with the other two fields, but don't worry, because we already know how to solve it, right? Select the object and in the inspector, pin it only to the left edge. Okay, so that's it, the left. This time it's not necessary to edit the top one, since we are only going to scale it sideward. Do the same for the label and go back to the interface to check if it worked out. When we modify the field width, the content doesn't vary. Great. But the best part is that these parameters have been automatically applied to the other field, since it's contained in the same symbol. Isn't it cool? So these are some options regarding symbols. Well, another resizing option is the possibility to select a fixed width or height so that these values don't change. What else can we do? We can decide if we want that the content of a particular object adjusts when resizing. To do so, go to the main symbol, not the instances, and check the box Adjust Content to Resize. Perfect. Guys, this has been all about symbols and how they work. So this lesson is over. In the following one, we are going to export our design and get it ready for programming. See you then. Bye.